under the One District, One Factory initiative will be recovered. Chief Executive Officer Lawrence Exim disclosed to Joy Business that some enterprises supported by the bank have since paid almost 50% of their loans. According to him, companies within the pharmaceutical and garment sectors benefited immensely from the COVID-19 situation due to the high demand for nose masks and pharmaceutical products.
We've only, as I speak to you, been able to approve about 119. That tells you the risk analysis and assessment that we go through for somebody, and you usually will hear a complaint, we've applied 1 year, 2 years, we've not received, or we've not have done some projects that are either in completion and some that are not completed. So we do not have many of our projects that have been completed. However, for those that have completed, most of them are repaying. For an Exim, we try to give a bit of legroom, give moratorium for the period of construction, because ours is not buy and sell. Ours is a developmental, so we know the cycle when the person will be able to complete, and we then give, because for a long term, either 5 to 7 years or to 10 years, all these things are factored in. And it may interest you to know that also some of the companies were brownfield. So brownfield that either needed money to retool. So in the pharmaceutical space, almost all the pharmaceutical companies that we supported to be able to acquire the WHO GMP compliance, they already repaying. Because what we did was that they either were doing production or they were trading. So in helping them to be able to put up a factory, they have already a cash flow that will be able to support it. Yes. Currently, we even finance a garment company. And because of COVID, and they are doing PPE, you'll be surprised to know that that company that we financed almost 2 million has come to pay 50% of the money, about 1 million, just 2 weeks ago. So again, it tells you that our risk assessment is good enough for us not to be able to make sure, because at the core of what we want to do is to make sure at least the bank is sustainable.
You're still watching the marketplace. Inflation rate for the month of July has increased marginally. It went up slightly to reach 11.4%, according to